Good day, class. Today we're going to do two-step equations. Unlike the one-step equation where it was either addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, two-step equations involve two steps. So either addition or subtraction and multiplication or division. So the same rules apply. We're going to go ahead and find the center of the equation. All right, we want to isolate the x. Okay. Now, here we have two things to get rid of. We need to get rid of the 2 and the 3. So we're going to look at it. What is the 3 doing to the x? Well, the 3 is being added to the x, and the 2 is being multiplied to the x. Whenever you do two-step equations, you always get rid of addition or subtraction first. It's the opposite of order of operations. So if you remember parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, when you're doing equations, you're actually undoing this. So you want to do addition and subtraction first, then multiplication and division. Okay, ignore those. Okay. So we have 2 that's being multiplied and 3 that's being added. So I want to get rid of the 3 first. The opposite of plus 3 is subtract 3. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Okay. Those go away, and I'm left with 2x. Make sure you bring that down. And then 15 minus 3 is 12. Now, we still need to isolate the x, so I need to get rid of the 2. It's being multiplied, just like we set up here, so I'm going to divide to get rid of it. Those cancel, and x equals 6. All right, let's look at the next one. Same thing. I'm going to separate them. All right. The negative 8 is being added to the t, and here we have a negative 1 which is being multiplied. So you can put a 1 in there if you'd like. Alright, we still got to isolate the t. Get rid of a plus 8 first, so I'm going to subtract 8. So I'm with negative 1t is left, equals, and then 3 minus 8 is negative 5. Okay, now I got to get rid of that negative 1, and it's being multiplied, so I'm going to divide. Negative 1, they cancel, 2 negatives make a positive, and t equals 5. Alright, let's look at some more. Look at, they might. Okay, alright, it's the same thing. We're going to separate our equation. Okay. Now the 12 is being added, and the 5 is being multiplied. So again, always get rid of addition and subtraction first. So I'm going to get rid of the plus 12 by subtracting 12. Okay, they go away. I'm left with 5x equals. Okay, negative 13 minus 12 is negative 25. Then to get rid of the 5, I have to divide because it's multiplication. So x equals negative 5. Okay. All right, let's look at this one over here. We're going to isolate the m. Okay, this time the m's on the right side. It doesn't matter. Okay, the 5 is being added. The 6 is division. Okay. So again, get rid of addition and subtraction first. So I'm going to get rid of the 5 by subtracting 5. So 21 minus 5 is 21. Okay, and I still have m over 6. Now to get rid of the 6, I have to multiply because it's a division problem. Okay, 6 is going to cancel. I'm going to multiply this side by 6 as well. So m equals, and then 6 times 21 is 126. Okay, there's that answer. Alright, let's look at some more. Okay, separate my equation. Again, I want to isolate the k here. So this is addition, and the negative 2 is multiplication. Get rid of your addition first. They cancel, so I have negative 2k equals, and 14 minus 3 is 11. Now to get rid of the negative 2, remember I said it's multiplication, so I'm going to divide, do the opposite. So k equals, now 2 won't go into negative 11, so I'm just going to leave it. Negative 11 over 2. I like to move my negative up to the numerator. It's just a habit. You can leave it down with the 2, so that you could also have this answer. All right, next one. All right, the 4 is subtracting, the 3 is multiplication. So I need to add 4 to both sides. Those cancel, so I'm left with 3n equals 15. Right now I'll divide by 3 because that was multiplication, and n equals 5. Alright, we're going to do one more. Alright, on this one, go ahead and draw my line. Alright, the 7 is being added, Now on this one it's a little different. We still need to isolate the x, but we have a -4 and a 3. Remember the -4 is multiplying, and the 3, and because it's in the bottom of a fraction, is division. Okay, we're actually going to take care of those separately. But we first have to get rid of addition. So how do I get rid of a +7? Subtract 7. So I'm left with -4 over 3x equals 4 minus 7 is -3. Okay. All right, I'm going to get rid of the 3 first. We always get rid of division first. In order to get rid of the division, I'm going to have to multiply by 3. So those cancel. So I'm left with -4x equals -3 times 3 is -9. Okay, now the -4 is multiplying, so I'm going to divide. Okay, those cancel. Now 4 won't go into 9 evenly. Okay, so I'm going to leave it as a fraction. And 2 negatives make a positive, so my answer is 9 over 4. Alright, a little bit of interesting fact. Elephants are terrified of bees. They actually have a scent that'll help them find them so they can run away. Have a great day.